2A. This exercise is teaching us to shift between first and third finger, beginning on a flattened first finger in first position to a natural first finger in third position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play a G harmonic scale on the violin or a C harmonic scale on the viola as a warm-up to this piece. Notice that on the third string there is a tone and a half space between the first and the second finger. This is called an augmented second interval. La Festaiola. Play the G harmonic minor scale as a warm-up to this piece on the violin or the C harmonic minor scale on the viola. Notice the augmented second interval between the first and second finger on the third string or the second and third finger on the second string. Congratulations on completing La Festaiola. Now you can waltz your way into Waltz Felice.